Upbeat music plays. Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're comparing two popular steam mops, the Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop and the H2O MOP X5 Steam Mop. If you're tired of using rags and elbow grease to clean sticky messes, you're in the right place. Let's see which steam mop comes out on top in the battle for clean floors. Let's kick things off with price. The Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop is priced at a wallet-friendly $92, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious shoppers. In contrast, the H2O MOP X5 is priced significantly higher at $169. While some reviewers appreciate the Bissell for its cost-effectiveness and efficiency, others feel that the H2O MOP X5, despite its higher price, offers a more luxurious cleaning experience with its versatile features. However, some users also question if the high price of the H2O MOP is justified, especially if it doesn't perform as expected. Now, let's talk functionality. The Bissell Power Fresh is known for its reliability, cleaning and sanitizing sealed hard floors without harsh chemicals and eliminating 99.9% of germs. Reviewers rave about its efficiency on textured ceramic tiles, making it a solid choice for many households. On the other hand, the H2O MOP X5 boasts a 5-in-1 functionality, allowing it to clean hard floors, carpets, windows, and even garments. Reviewers have noted its versatility, making it a great tool for deep cleaning. However, some have expressed concerns about its overall effectiveness and durability. Let's dive into steam control. The Bissell Power Fresh features a SmartSet digital steam control, allowing users to choose between high, medium, or low steam settings. This has been appreciated by users who value customizable cleaning. In contrast, the H2O MOP X5 offers a powerful 1,300 watts of steam, which some users compare to a rocket launch. However, a few reviews pointed out that the steam output can be overwhelming, leading to excess water on the floor, which is a concern for some users seeking efficient cleaning without the mess. Next up is usability. The Bissell Power Fresh features swivel steering and a long 23-foot power cord, making it easy to maneuver around furniture. Users have appreciated its quick readiness, being ready to use in just 30 seconds. In contrast, the H2O MOP X5 can convert to handheld mode, offering flexibility for various cleaning tasks. However, some reviews mention that while it's lightweight, the design can feel awkward and may lead to durability issues, especially for users applying pressure during cleaning. Finally, let's discuss included accessories. The Bissell comes with a microfiber soft pad, a scrubby pad, 2 Spring Breeze fragrance discs, and a carpet glider, making it a well-equipped choice for many users. Reviewers have enjoyed the added features that enhance their cleaning experience. The H2O MOP X5, however, includes a wide array of accessories such as a glider, extension hose, window cleaning tool, and duster, which some reviewers consider as an all-in-one cleaning solution. Yet, concerns about the quality of the attachments and base materials have been raised by other users, making it a mixed review. Overall, the Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop is praised for its affordability, reliability, and efficiency in cleaning hard floors, while the H2O MOP X5 receives mixed reviews, with users appreciating its versatility but expressing concerns about its durability and performance. Both products have their strengths and weaknesses, catering to different cleaning needs and preferences. So which mop is the winner? If you want a solid, reliable cleaner that gets the job done, the Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop is your best buddy. But if you're looking for versatility and a little more oomph in your cleaning routine, the H2O MOP X5 is the way to go. Remember, whether you choose the budget-friendly Bissell or the all-in-one H2O MOP, you're still winning in the battle against dirt. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.